Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Novelcrafter and Scrivener. In order to do so, here we are at novelcrafter.com and we're also at scrivener.app. And to do a comparison of the two, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of AI at any time and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, when comparing Novelcrafter and Scrivener, both are popular writing tools but cater to different needs and preferences. Here's a breakdown of their features, strengths, and weaknesses. Novelcrafter has a user-friendly interface designed specifically for novel writing, making it easy to focus on writing rather than formatting. It offers templates and guidance for story structure, which can help new writers plan their novels more effectively, and it features dedicated sections for developing characters, settings, and plot points, simplifying the organization of ideas. It's typically accessible from multiple devices with internet access, supporting collaboration and easy sharing, although it may lack the depth and customization options of more comprehensive tools, and it's less popular. Smaller user community may mean fewer tutorials, forums, and third-party resources. Scrivener, on the other hand, offers a wide range of tools for organizing, drafting, and revising manuscripts, including corkboard, outline views, and split screen functionality for research and writing. It's highly customizable with project templates and formatting options, accommodating various genres and personal preferences. It allows users to import and manage research materials, notes, and references directly within projects, and it supports multiple output formats, including EPUB, PDF, and Word, making it versatile for publishing and sharing. It can be overwhelming for new users due to its extensive features and customization options, and it's primarily a desktop application with less emphasis on cloud features unless users enable syncing through other services. In conclusion, if you prefer a straightforward, focused writing environment with a guided story structure, Novelcrafter might be the better option. On the other hand, if you need a comprehensive tool with advanced features and are comfortable navigating a more complex interface, Scrivener is likely to suit your needs better. Ultimately, the choice depends on your writing style, the complexity of your projects, and whether you prefer simplicity or a more robust set of tools. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.